Start your day with coffee. You review your account balance and your expectations, but your balance is at zero. Well, I just want to let you know that you can actually change that routine. Here is make money online very easily and effectively money making method, and I'm gonna teach you. In matter of seconds you get to do nothing and make as much as $250 plus every day, and guess what, you can earn this huge amount of money over and over again. With no limit here, my friends. So if you want to add some flavor to your life and make steps in achieving financial freedom, then say hello to this premier method of earning that stacks of cash online. There's only one thing that you should do, and that is to watch this video all throughout. Make sure to never skip ahead so that you will fully grasp and understand all the steps that will be done in this method. Please like and subscribe. The first website that I'm going to show you is Teespring.com. So let's start by showing you how Teespring works. Teespring is a free platform that lets you create and sell over 50 kinds of products with no upfront cost or risk. They handle everything from printing to shipping to customer service. Teespring is for everyone from entrepreneurs looking to start their own online business to creators wanting to offer us emerge to their fans to charities looking for a hustle-free way to raise funds, and everyone in between. Open your browser and search teespring.com. Click Start Designing. Here you will have to sign up by entering your name or brand name, email, and set yourself a password. Then check that box. Please sign up. Here you will be asked to name your store and click Continue. Here you select Create Products to design your product. Here you will see that there are multiple products that you can design, like t-shirts and other products. So select the best product for you. Here you will be able to add image to protect for the design. Let me show you the site that can provide you with copyright-free template design. Which is canva.com. Select your template. Design it your way and change it to make it your own. Then download it as PNG. So let's go ahead and add image as a design. You can see that it is uploading itself. Then you will be able to resize and rotate it. And you can see that we are designing the front. You can also design the back if you want. And on the text you can change font color, make it bold, underline it, centralize it, and so on. You can click preview to see how it will look like after designing. You can choose product colors and make sure you select many as possible. Set yourself a fair price. And see the profit you will get per sell. Then click Continue. Here you select other styles and they will automatically take the other designs you made. After choosing all you want, click Continue. Set title, description, and customize your URL link. Choose this ability as public for all people to see it. Select the store. And then finally click Publish Listing and wait a little bit. Now here you will be able to see your design products and they are ready to be bought and you're in your profit. Simply copy to get the link so that you can promote it, for example on your YouTube or other social media platforms, to get more customers to buy them. To get more money, I recommend you promote on Google Ads as it will multiply your money. Or use Herculist, which is the website that allows you to promote to 1,000 people every day. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe.